As a small commercial enterprise, you ought to usually consider approaches to get your services and products in front of as many humans as possible, all without breaking the bank. Using YouTube in your commercial enterprise may be a price-powerful manner to develop it if used often as a part of your advertising and marketing method. Online store ModCloth drove 4,000 subscribers and 1 million YouTube perspectives, ensuing in extra sales, for only a ninth of the price in their common seek campaigns. Not positive if YouTube can assist in developing your commercial enterprise? Here are 8 blessings that YouTube can offer for your commercial enterprise. 1. Tap into the horde of YouTube's traffic. YouTube as a part of advertising and marketing method. Online video is developing exponentially, with over 4 billion motion pictures regarded daily. If you operate YouTube in your commercial enterprise, you may without difficulty attain your target market, via way of means of developing motion pictures and marketing on different humans' motion pictures. YouTube is the 2D biggest seek engine and the 3rd maximum visited internet site globally, in the back of handiest Google and Facebook respectively. 1 billion humans go to YouTube every month globally. 100 hours of video are uploaded every 60 seconds to YouTube. Want to get extra perspectives in your channel? We advocate this top-notch path from Udemy. Set up a channel, boom perspectives, and lots extra, YouTube Masterclass, your complete guide to YouTube. 2. Marketing on YouTube will help you get found on Google. YouTube enables you to get located on Google. Due to Google's universal search, motion pictures, images, news, books, and nearby searches are mixed collectively in Google's seek outcomes, with the intention to offer the maximum beneficial statistics for human searching. Fun fact, over 60% of searchers click on the primary 3 outcomes on Google, and over 90% of all Google searchers click on the primary 10 natural outcomes. 4 top tips for using YouTube to increase the authority of your website. 1. Get different internet site proprietors to embed your motion pictures on their websites. Every time a person embeds your video on their internet site, it counts as a vote in favor of your video. The extra those who embed your video, the better it's going to rank with inside the seek outcomes, as Google offers additional authority to websites that have brilliant content material, that is up to date often. 2. Associate your area call together along with your YouTube channel. Associating your internet site together with your channel will inform YouTube that you are the authentic illustration of your logo on YouTube. These outcomes in extra applicable video outcomes pointing for your commercial enterprise while a person searches in your logo or phrases referring to the offerings you offer. 3. Get your motion pictures shared on social media structures. Social media metrics are an element considered via way of means of Google while rating pages. If you may create awesome motion pictures that lure others to share, you're signaling to Google that you are generating content material this is treasured for your goal target market. 4. Give your target market extra alternatives to devour. Providing your target market with quite a few approaches to devour statistics, together with text, video illustrations, and audio cues, will boom the general engagement your motion pictures get hold of, as you're catering to distinct getting-to-know styles. Fun fact: 65% of humans are visual learners. 30% of humans are oral learners. 5% of humans are kinesthetic learners. Become a YouTube genius. 3. Your content never dies. New life, YouTube advertising and marketing method. G.OSCAN. Using YouTube for commercial enterprise allows you to recause content material you've already created without the want to spend quite a little time or put money into pricey equipment. For example, this weblog post can without difficulty be repurposed into many codecs together with greater than podcasts, greater than infographics, greater than presentations, greater than video series. Want to get the maximum out of YouTube in your commercial enterprise? We advocate this top-notch path from Udemy. Set up a channel, boom perspectives, and lots extra, YouTube Masterclass, your complete guide to YouTube. 4. Grow your audience worldwide. Globe, YouTube advertising and marketing method. This is certainly considered one of the largest blessings of the use of YouTube for commercial enterprise. Fun fact: 80% of those who choose to look at the video with closed captions enabled don't have to listen to impairments. It's additionally essential to encompass numerous call to movements in your motion pictures, with annotations that hyperlink to greater than other motion pictures, greater than content on your internet site, greater than email autoresponder series, greater than products and offerings on offer. 5. Build your email list on YouTube. Lead player YouTube advertising and marketing. Using this method makes it less complicated than ever to construct your email listing, even as imparting enticing video content material your target market will love. 6. Your audience will promote you and buy from you. Audience, YouTube advertising and marketing method. Marfees 75. Want to get the maximum out of YouTube in your commercial enterprise? We advocate this top-notch path from Udemy. Set up a channel, boom perspectives, and lots extra. YouTube Masterclass, your complete guide to YouTube. 7. Target your audience with AdWords for video. James Bond, YouTube advertising and marketing. Take an examination of how Rokenbach generated 50% of its clients from YouTube because of its video marketing and marketing campaign. 8. Make money with AdSense for video. Make cash AdSense for video. epsos.de. Creating ordinary video content material offers you the possibility to earn a little cash without delay out of your motion pictures, through Google's AdSense for video program. Fun facts. Over 1 million content material creators from 30 international locations around the world are creating wealth sincerely through YouTube motion pictures. Thousands of channels are making 6 figures a year. You can use Google AdWords and AdSense for video collectively to make a little cash returned out of your video campaigns too. It works like this. 1. Viewer sees your video advert in any other video and clicks on it. 2. You pay for that click on as a part of your marketing campaign budget. 3. The viewer proceeds to look at your video, viewing the advertisements from different content material creators which are enabled to show in your motion pictures. Maybe disabled. 4. Viewer clicks or watches the one's advertisements and you are paid 68% of the advert revenue. As you may see, YouTube is a possible platform for developing your target market and commercial enterprise in some of the approaches. If you make investments in the desired time to study the primary additives of the platform, YouTube will display itself to be a profitable addition to develop.